Unveiling everyday English. Apply moisturizer, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we unravel the mysteries of everyday English phrases. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's common yet often misunderstood by English language learners. Apply moisturizer. Stick with us as we break down what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Apply moisturizer might sound technical at first, but it's actually a simple concept. To apply means to put or spread something on a surface. In this case, the surface is usually the skin. A moisturizer is a type of cream or lotion designed to make the skin softer and prevent dryness. So, when we say, apply moisturizer, we mean to spread the moisturizing cream or lotion onto the skin. You'll often hear, apply moisturizer, in contexts related to skincare or beauty routines. It's a daily activity for many people, especially after bathing or showering. The phrase can be used in various tenses depending on the situation. Present tense, I apply moisturizer every morning. Past tense, she applied moisturizer after her shower. Future tense, he will apply moisturizer before going out. In different cultures, skincare routines vary, and so does the usage of this phrase. In some places, applying moisturizer is a crucial part of daily life, while in others, it might not be as common. Additionally, the phrase can be used metaphorically in some contexts. For example, applying moisturizer to a situation could mean trying to ease tension or make something less harsh. English learners sometimes confuse apply with similar verbs like use or put on. While these verbs are related, apply specifically suggests a more careful or deliberate action. For example, correct, apply the cream gently to your face. Incorrect, use the cream gently to your face. And there you have it. Understanding the phrase, apply moisturizer, is a great step towards mastering everyday English. We hope this video has been informative and adds a bit of smoothness to your language learning journey, just like a good moisturizer does to your skin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.